Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to program 2008 Toyota Tundra key fob, only way. Start with all doors closed and both remotes ready. Then insert the key and remove it twice to unlock the system. Close the driver door, and turn the key to on and back to lock multiple times as specified in the sequence, to enter programming mode and register each remote following the beep cues and door lock feedback. Follow the sequence steadily and calmly so the truck recognizes your actions. After the on/lock cycles, listen for a lock confirmation or beep, then press a button on each remote within 5 seconds to sync them. If a remote fails, repeat the full sequence from the start, keeping timing consistent, and test each remote by locking and unlocking the doors before moving on to the next step. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is perfect for staying hydrated while you work on your truck, and it won't spill during those awkward under-dash moments. Check the description for the link and other deals for this bottle and similar tools. It's a small upgrade that makes repairs more pleasant. Now let's get back to the video. If you hit a snag, stay patient and check batteries, door seals, and that the master key is present. Repeat the entire procedure exactly as outlined, because timing matters more than speed. For persistent failure, try another known good remote or consult a locksmith with Toyota experience. Remember that some issues stem from the security module or aftermarket electronics, which may require professional tools to resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.